How to build an affiliate marketing website that makes you money. What is up? My name is Chris. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to make money online, not just a little bit of money, but a lot of money, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon next to it so you don't miss anything. Welcome to this video series training guide where I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can build your own affiliate marketing website and have it up and running on the internet within the next few minutes. So get some pen and paper if you need, take some notes. We're going to jump right in. All right, also before we get started, I want to let you know that I am going to be your mentor and personal accountability coach. So you're not going to be at this alone. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to benjisdad.com/start. That's benjisdad.com/start. That's going to get you onto my page right here. You're going to be able to see my little ugly mug here, so you'll know that you're on the right page. And the first thing that they want you to do is go ahead and put in your name, email address, and password. And this is a 100% free account that you'll be able to get here. No credit card, no PayPal, none of that is required. All you have to do is just put in your name and email address right here just to get you started. And you're only going to get this because you're using my link. So go ahead and check this out. So we're going to go ahead and just create an account here. Email address. We're going to come up with a password. So now we're going to choose a username and we're just going to put in Chris1213 and then create free account. All right, and as soon as you get in, the first thing it's going to show you is now you can take a tour of what's going on the inside here. So we're going to click on start the tour and it shows you how your account is set up over here. You continue, it's going to show you where the dashboard is, the training, the websites, the ability to search and use useful resources, and then it brings you right here to the home page. Now, the Wealthy Affiliate is basically a social network. It is what's called a mastermind, where it's nothing but like-minded people who are either trying to make money online or people who have successfully made money online who are helping those who are also trying to make money online. So it's really a great community to be a part of because really 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, it can be 2 a.m. in the morning, and this is a place where you can always ask questions. So one thing that I have found is that a lot of people give up because they believe that they're on their own and they don't understand a particular aspect or a term, and they're like, you know what, I don't care anymore. But the great thing about Wealthy Affiliate is that because of the community, because of the social network in which it is, you are able to get answers to questions at any time of the day. So that's probably the best part about Wealthy Affiliate. However, in order to take advantage of that, they want you to be sure to complete your profile, which means adding a picture and a short description. It takes less than 30 seconds to do, and you don't even have to be very detailed with it. And I'm going to show you exactly how you do it right now. At the top left-hand corner here, you're going to see your username. So we're going to click on upload an image. And here, it's going to move me kind of out of the way here. And here you can actually put in a picture of yourself, or you can log into your Facebook page and use the image that's there. Or if you're still a little iffy about this, that's perfectly okay. Go ahead and click choose a sample image, and they're going to give you about 10 or 15 images that you can choose just to see what it's like. And really, I like cars, so I'm going to click on the car. And we're going to image is now added. So we're going to close that. Now we're going to go ahead and click on the very next one that's gray here, and it says add a description. Now when you're adding a description, it does not have to be very detailed at all. You basically just want to introduce yourself to the community. This is the first page people are going to see when they're looking at your profile. So you can say something like, hi, my name is Chris. I am new here and really want to make money online. Ready to learn. You know, something like that. It doesn't even have to be what I typed. It can really be whatever you like. I have people who put a huge paragraph on there. You know, they got some that'll put one line and then move on. But again, the purpose of this is so that you can complete your profile, and then most people in the community are going to be able to see you and interact with you. If you don't complete the profile, then the number of people who can interact with you is considerably dwindled. So your best bet at being successful with it is to be sure to finish your profile. So we're going to go ahead and click on save your description here. Create your profile has been added. And you see when I get here, account setup is at 50%. Now this says start your training, and you can usually start your training, but as a little ninja trick I'm going to show you, I want you to go ahead and click add your goals. Now adding your goals is a pretty important thing that you want to do, because it kind of helps get your mindset right about what it is that you're trying to do with the program. If you look at the questions here, how much money would you be happy earning? You know, I'll put like maybe $1,000. How much money would you be ecstatic earning? You know, how about $10,000? And these are just numbers that I'm coming up with. If you want to shoot for $1 million, shoot for $1 million. It's a-okay. And then how much time are you willing to invest to achieve these goals? So you can kind of put here about how much time you think you'll be able to spend toward this. Some people can only spend an hour a day. Some people can only spend 30 minutes a day. Maybe someone who doesn't have many obligations can spend 8 to 10 hours a day on it. The more time you put into it, obviously, the quicker you'll be successful with it. So I'm just going to put, you know, maybe 4 hours a day. And then we're going to go ahead and click post your goals. So now we're just going to go ahead and click the X button out here just to get out of here. And now that you see, we are back at our dashboard and our account setup is 100%. And you're going to get a little splash that's going to come up and say, congratulations, your account's 100% complete. That is really what you want to go for, because now you are 100% primed to jump into the training. This free membership, you get the first 10 lessons 100% free. It's really just a taste for you to see if this is something that you actually want to even give a try. So to do this, let me move myself out of the way here again. Click on the training tab right over here on the left. It brings you to these pages right here, and it'll show you the online entrepreneurship certification. It says 5 courses, 50 lessons. Now this is what the entire course is. The free part that you just signed up for is only going to show up the first 10 lessons. So you can see the other ones are grayed out, but you can start, you're getting started, lesson 1, and click continue here just to get started. Now you'll see that a lot of these lessons are very, very simple. This is not a test or a quiz or anything. It's really just step-by-step instructions on how you can make money online through the use of a little thing called affiliate marketing. Now it says lesson 1, get rolling. So now you're kind of introduced to the people who are going to be doing the most of the teaching in this program, which is Kyle and Carson. They are the CEOs of the company. We're going to talk a little bit more about them later. But as we scroll down, you're trying to get your mindset correct. It's going to give you an idea of what affiliate marketing is, and especially how you can profit from it. So it gives you a lot of real early tasks that you can complete, and there's some videos as well. The videos are also very step-by-step that Kyle has put together, and they're very easy to follow, and you can rewatch them as much as you want, even with the free membership, which is really a great idea. Now as you scroll down to the bottom here, you'll see that each lesson has tasks on the end of it. Now this is a very big deal, because now that you've read all of the information, it's time to take action on the information that you've read. And this same tasks is at the bottom of each lesson that you go through, not just with the free membership, but with each lesson that you go through to complete your online entrepreneur certification. It's not a test or anything. It's really just making sure that you understand the concept so that you can move on to the next lesson. I highly suggest that you never skip these tasks. The tasks are there to make sure you understand the concept enough so that you can move on to the next lesson. So here it says make sure that you watch the walkthrough video, which you did, account setup, and then complete the account setup process with the description, image, and goals. We've done that. And then at the bottom, we just click on next lesson. And here we are at the next lesson. And then we just do it all over again. By the time you're done with your first 10 lessons, you're going to already have a website with content out on the internet, which is kind of crazy that you can do so in such a relative quick period of time, where before you may not even known how to build a website, but now you're going to build it right here. Now, one of the important things that I want to make sure that is 100% clear to you guys is exactly how to ask a question. I kind of alluded to it a little bit earlier, the importance of asking a question, but I want to also make sure that you understand that it's never a bad idea to ask a question. If you signed up under my link, I'm going to be able to see when you have questions, when you have problems, and overlook your progress as you go along, and I can give you some insights or anything like that. But if I'm not around, thousands of people in the community are there to help you as well. So let me show you exactly how you can ask a question. So first of all, to ask a question, if you look, I'm going to move me right over here again. If you look right here on the left side, this is kind of like your go-to bar over here, you know, where you have your dashboard, training, websites, live events, research, live chat, and help center. The help center is where I want you guys to go. So you click on the help center. It's going to show you support, live chat, ask a question, and private messaging. The ones with little locks on them, that means that you don't have access to that yet under a free membership. If you ever were to decide to go premium, then all of these things unlock. Immediately, you have access to the chat and to ask a question. So I'm going to go to ask a question here. And now you can really kind of post anything that you want in regards to what you're trying to accomplish, which is ultimately to make money. So now I want to show you another aspect of this, and that is the live chat feature. So I'm going to move us over a little bit more over here, click on live chat, and you see immediately we are introduced to the chat. And this is something that is going on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Whatever is going on in your head, you can put something in the live chat. Word of caution though, it is a regular chat room. So sometimes you can ask a question, especially if it's busy, and it might get pushed down. You know, don't worry about it. Copy and paste your question again if someone happens to miss it. Believe me, someone will be out there to help you as soon as possible. Now, the live chat is available only for the first 7 days that you're there, unless you decide to go premium. So be sure to keep that in mind when you're giving it a try, just to see what's going on. So definitely this will be a place that you want to ask questions. So if you ever have a problem or issue, just go to my page, and you can again go to the help center, and you can see the premium coaches who are available for you. Now, Kyle and Carson, they are 100% available to you whenever you need their assistance. Just click on their names here and just drop them a message, and I guarantee they will get back to you. They always do. I honestly don't know how those guys do it with all of the people who are constantly asking them questions, but they are there to help you out. Now, me, on the other hand, I'm here to help you out as well. You can ask me a question. You can ask me any problems that you have by just simply clicking and typing here and then clicking on leave me a message. And I guarantee you within a few minutes, maybe an hour or so, when I notice it, because I'm always on my phone, I'll be able to click on it, see what your problem is, and give you a nice detailed answer as to how to get through your problem. Now, if you go through the training at any point, you do get 7 days to go premium for the discounted rate of $19 for the first month, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you have to wait 7 days before signing up for the premium service. A lot of people read that first lesson and they're like, you know what, this is what I want to do, and they immediately sign up for it for the first month for $19. To do that, at the very top, you're going to see in red, upgrade to premium. And it's going to bring you to the page where it's going to show you try the first month premium for only $19. Become a premium member now. So it's $19 for the first month, and you can pay either by credit card or by PayPal. You just enter your information right here, check the little terms of service box, and complete your payment. And after that, there is nothing standing in your way from building your website and starting to make money with it. Now, to help make your decision, I did want to go over a couple of testimonials of other people who have used the Wealthy Affiliate site and their results from it. So here's one person. His name is Scott, and he definitely has been able to use the Wealthy Affiliate to the full. So you can see my most successful month at Wealthy Affiliate so far. And one thing I wanted to show you is this last couple of paragraphs. It says, stick with the training here at WA or Wealthy Affiliate. This stuff works, and I am living proof of that. The greatest thing about the training is that you can apply it to any niche that you want. This is not limited to just one niche or to promoting WA. It seems like lots of referrals are coming from my many different product reviews. So I would encourage anyone or everyone here to write informative and great product reviews. If I can do this, I know that anyone can. All you got to do is dedicate yourself to it and keep working a little and keep working at it little by little. I would recommend taking frequent breaks so that you don't get too frustrated and come back refreshed. Ask for help if you need it. There is plenty of help available to you. All you need to do is ask. Everything you need is right here at Wealthy Affiliate. All you need to do is take action on what you learn, and you will start experiencing success. I hope you all have enjoyed this post. Feel free to leave your comments below. So this is a real life member here at the Wealthy Affiliate. I wanted to show you another one here. At the very bottom, he just reached 10.5 million visitors on his website, which is kind of mind-boggling how many people he's had on his website. His website's been running since 2007, but notice at the bottom here what he says his secret is when it comes to the Wealthy Affiliate. His secret is that he doesn't have one. He creates content and publishes new articles to his site 5 times per week. That's it. That's all there is to it, and I've been saying this for years now. This simple secret has been the sole reason for my success and the reason I am able to run a full-time business from anywhere in the world. So you can see here that the training here at Wealthy Affiliate actually works. Now, this guy was able to put in the work, 5 articles per week is tough. It really is to come up with 5 good articles 5 times a week, but it is possible. And you can see the kind of success that he's been able to have from using the program here at The Wealthy Affiliate. So with that said, I urge you again, please consider going premium with Wealthy Affiliate. It's very simple to do. You can click the button up here, upgrade to premium. It's the big red button. You click it, it brings you to a site like this, and it tells you that the discount ends in 6 days. They give you 7 days to give it a try, and then you sign up for the premium account. It's only $19. So you click become a premium member now, and you can pay either with a credit card or with PayPal. It's just that simple. It does it really quick, and then it opens up the rest of the training. And at that point, nothing else is really in your way to building that website, making money online, and actually learning from it. So I hope I was able to convince you. Go ahead and check it out. Sign up for the premium service if you can. In the next video, one of the trainings that you're going to have to go through is choosing a niche online. This can sometimes throw a lot of people off, but I created a whole video in the next one right below. So check out the next video in the series. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button. It should pop up about right over there, and check out the latest and check out the next video on the series.